दिलीप गोगारी जी का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, उसके बाद हाउ मेनी विटनेस रिक्वायर फॉर वैलिड गिफ्ट डीड?
2 witness.
दिलीप जी, दो
मैंने
विटनेस जरूरी है।
उसके पहले भी एक क्वेश्चन है,
राइट
कंडीशन गिफ्ट इज वैलिड, कंडीशन गिफ्ट इज वैलिड।
सर,
नो कंडीशनल मतलब आप मैम जैसे मतलब आप थोड़ा बताएंगे सर कंडीशन किस तरीके से? अगर कुछ इवेंट होना है ऑन द हैपनिंग ऑफ सर्टेन इवेंट, यस इट कैन बी ए गिफ्ट डीड में हो सकता है, बट कंडीशनल नहीं है। इट्स लाइक ऑन आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ इट, इट्स नॉट दैट। अगर कुछ इवेंट है तो मैम आई मीन उसके बारे में कुछ कंडीशनल गिफ्ट डीड हो सकता है क्या?
See, this actually depends upon the condition what you are putting. If you want to know more than this, you have to consult your advocate whether the gift is valid or not. See, there is something called in the event of happening. वो क्या happening है, that comes the major portion of it. For example, you can't say in the event of death, in the event of the death of I don't know, I don't know how to use, in the event of death of my daughter, it will go to my son-in-law. That is not a gift. Understood, no? So it all depends on what is the condition you are giving. So the condition should be a valid condition.
दिलीप गोगारी जी, आपके नेक्स्ट जो क्वेश्चंस है,
ओके,
एक
सेटिस्फाई
टेनेंसी
उसमें
राइट्स
ये
के
आंसर है कंडीशनल।
इंडियन रजिस्ट्रेशन एक्ट 19
आपने मैडम ने बोला था ना 100 साल पहले का एक्ट है, तो ये भी लिख दिया मैंने, 1908 का एक्ट है।
हाँ, 1908, करेक्ट,
1908 का। ओके
1908.
ओके। अनिल पाटिल का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स है। अनिल पाटिल साहब जो आर्किटेक्ट हैं फेमस, और उनकी 3 जनरेशन आर्किटेक्ट में गई है। वेरी नाइस explanation by Uma, moderator, and explained by Sudhindra ji, so that layman can understand properly. Thank you very
क्यों
much
सर?
अनिल जी। मिस्टर पॉल है अवेलेबल है। मिस्टर पॉल का
Yeah.
सवाल आप पढ़िए जरा।
Okay, I'm
Yes, sir.
reading it. Huh?
Yeah.
Yes.
I have a peculiar problem.
Mm-hmm.
You see, what has happened is that in a Christian elderly spinster and a bachelor brother have
Okay.
2 flats side by side.
Okay.
When the brother died, he died without a will,
Okay.
Okay.
and he left. And because of the nomination,
Okay.
the sister was alive. So, because she was also handling society matters, she transferred the flat onto her name, because he too died a bachelor. She was a spinster. But they have lots of nieces and nephews. Now, the brother died 15 years ago without a will. Since sister name appeared in the nomination form, the sister got his flat transferred.
Okay.
As I understand, she can only be a caretaker as their caretaker, as their siblings are maybe alive, and but what they have several surviving nephews and nieces. She then made a gift deed giving both flats to a niece only and not to a brother. Is it right for her to give a brother's share? Her share, I can understand. But can she gift a brother's share when she's only a nominee? You follow?
Did you understand, ma'am? Uma ma'am?
Yeah. See, I will just repeat what I understood.
Yeah.
There is brother, and there are siblings, and those siblings are having nephews. I mean, meaning children.
Yes.
Okay, and
Correct.
also sister is there. Sister is
Yes.
there, and the person who is the owner, he passed away, and the
Yes.
sister was handling all the property matters.
Handling the society matters.
Society
Or cooperative
matters.
society.
Okay, of that society, and
Yeah.
she was the nominee.
Yeah. She was in the nomination form.
She was her name was appearing in the nomination form.
Correct. Only her name.
Only her name was appearing.
Yeah.
Now, as per the law, the nominee is only the caretaker.
Correct.
She cannot become the owner.
Correct.
Now, she has chosen to gift it to the nephew and niece,
To the
and
niece.
not to the brother. Niece and not to the brother.
Not to the her brother and other nieces and nephews also, no?
Other nieces and nephew. Sir, first of all, we need to check whether the house has been legally transferred in her name or not. That will
No,
tell.
the share because the sister was a holder of the gift deed. I mean, holder of the doing all the
Nomination.
society work. She
Ah.
transferred the share certificate on her name.
Okay, but what about in the government records?
In the
Government records.
I have no idea. In
Huh.
what government records, madam?
See, in case if it is in Navi Mumbai, it's in the Sitco. In case of Mumbai, it has to go to the records of MADA and property record में किसका नाम आता है? That is more
So
important, no sir.
okay.
See, one is
So
the
I
society doing, where you are telling she was only handling the cooperative housing society matter, but in the
yeah
government records,
because most of our cooperative members are all
uh,
out of station.
okay,
Most of them have leased out their flats, and since he was doing it for so many years,
okay,
nobody bothered. We were
okay.
just holding post by name.
So we need to check sir government record. For example, property tax किसका नाम में आता है, and
Acha.
that is more important. Whether it has
The
been
the property tax is coming on the name of Sojourn Apartment. I mean the name of the society.
in the name of the society.
That is
So we need
one.
to check.
That is one lump sum. So one lump sum.
Okay, okay. So we need to check in the government records whether she has gone and registered. Whether
No,
Okay.
just to,
So
Mr.
how
Paul.
do I go about it? How do I go to about it?
sir, if this you please call Ramesh Prabhu sir's office in Mahaseva.
Very
They will
good.
definitely support you
Okay,
because
very good. I'll do
they
that.
know the right answer. You know that, right? You go
Search
to
report
Okay,
अगर
I'll do
Prabhu
that.
sir's office.
I'll do that, ma'am.
You contact
I'll
Prabhu
do
sir's
that, ma'am.
office. Yeah.
I'll do that, ma'am.
सर
Thank
जी
you very
लीज
much.
लेने के फ्री लेंगे, अगर लीज रहेगा तो सिटको में भी रहेगा और मादा में भी रहेगा, उसको चेंज करने का नाम फ्री होल्ड रहता है
Okay.
तो नहीं रहेगा.
Okay, madam. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you very much for your input.
Mr. Asu Patkankar, please welcome. Ask your question.
Yes, Mr.
हाँ,
Patankar.
मेरा सवाल ये है कि इन केस ऑफ शेयर सर्टिफिकेट में क्या होगा, न्यू इशू करेंगे या जो ओल्ड है उसको ही मॉडिफाई करेंगे?
पीछे there is a column for endorsing the new member. उधर नाम आएगा उसका. Share
Okay,
certificate.
Mr. Patankar, there will not be new share certificate issued. The old
Okay.
share certificate जो ऊपर उसका फेस के ऊपर जो फर्स्ट होल्डर का नाम होगा, उसका पीछे तरह आपको 4-5 कॉलम्स होंगे जो जिसका मतलब फर्दर ट्रांसफर्स होता है वो ट्रांसफर्स लिखा जाता है. फॉर एग्जांपल मिस्टर ए का नाम ऑन द फेस ऑफ द शेयर सर्टिफिकेट है, पीछे BCDEF करके आप ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं. तो उसका नाम जो है एंडोर्स होता है और सोसाइटी जो है छापा मारता है कि इट इज बीन एंडोर्स्ड इन हिज नेम. सो फर्दर जो सेल ट्रांजैक्शंस होता है उसको एंडोर्समेंट बोलता है, वो उसको शेयर सर्टिफिकेट के पीछे ही लिखा जाता है. न्यू शेयर सर्टिफिकेट विल नॉट बी इश्यूड.
थैंक यू सर.
Society can charge, I have two questions. Can
Yeah.
society charge legal processing charges to members or taking assistance of lawyer while transferring gift through gift deed?
Ma'am, legal charges can they charge to the new member is what the question is, because वो lawyer को engage कर रहे हैं society. अगर legal charge जो भी advocate जो भी charge करता है 2,000-5,000 जो भी है, can that be collected from the new member is the question. Does the MCS Act say that?
No, it is actually on behalf of the managing committee they are appointing, not on behalf of the member.
So are you saying, ma'am, this is an expense to the society, cannot be
Expense to the
recovered from the
society. No,
cannot be
no,
recovered
no.
from the new member? Okay.
No. In case they want to make the gift deed, then it is a different thing.
Who want to make a gift
Anybody
deed?
wants to make a gift deed and they can direct to the advocate, then that particular thing the member will be bearing it, not the whatever management committee is supposed to do, they are supposed to do.
No, the question here is the society, can they charge the legal charges from the nominal legal charges from the new member is the question. Your answer is no.
No,
It
no.
can't be. Yeah, no.
Gotcha. And another question is,
Yes, sir.
when a father is having 3 sons and father is gifting his flat in favor of one son only.
Okay.
Society safeguard their interest by asking for NOC from all the sons.
Okay, the question here is, ma'am, 3 sons है, एक सन के ऊपर गिफ्ट डीड दिया गया है. Now,
Okay.
society, should they take no objection certificate from the balance 2 sons of the deceased father is a question.
Deceased father, no, the father is alive, right?
No, he had gifted to Mr. Ye.
Okay.
Acha, father is alive even now?
Father is alive.
So he is gifting in favor of son A. So can society safeguard their interest in future? I mean, by in case other 2 sons are disputing, so they can just safeguard their interest by asking for NOC from B and C, other 2 sons.
I don't think so it is required. No, it is not required because it is fully voluntary and it is accepted by the donee. There is no need for any NOC here.
Okay. So there is no legal right also, no? I guess as such we cannot ask only.
No, we
BNC
cannot-
doesn't have any right. That's what ma'am is saying, and there is no NOC required. Voluntary hai, that it is the will and wish of the father, and then he wanted to give it to Mr. Ye, one of his son, and there ends the matter. That's what ma'am is saying. Okay.
One question I could see is, can I combine 2 property in a gift? Yes, it can be combined.
Somebody asked a question like, can
Yeah,
2 properties can be included in the in same gift deed? Yes. Yeah. Any more questions?
हेलो
Yes.
सोसाइटी डेवलपमेंट में जाने वाला था तो सेक्रेटरी ने क्या जनरल सब डिटेल मांगा था कि आपका कांटेक्ट डिटेल, मोबाइल नंबर, नॉमिनी कौन है, मतलब वो हमने लिख के दे दिया था, लेकिन एक क्वेश्चन आंसर टाइप का था, उसमें हमने लिख के दे दिया था नॉट इन द फॉर्म नंबर 14. अभी अपना समझो ना कि 22 दिसंबर 2018 को फ्लैट होल्डर के हस्बैंड एक्सपायर हो गए, उसके बाद फ्लैट होल्डर 1 वीक के बाद एक्सपायर हो गए और लिविंग बिहाइंड 2 सन्स एंड 2 डॉटर्स. तो अभी दो डॉटर ने ना मतलब दो बहनों ने दोनों भाई के नाम पे मतलब करने के लिए डिसाइड कर दिया है. तो ये केस में अगर बाय वे ऑफ ट्रांसफर जो है लीगल, तो इसमें अपना रिलीज डीड कंपलसरी है कि फिर अपना रिलीज डीड में स्टैम्प ड्यूटी लगता है ना, या तो डॉक्टर वकील का खर्चा लगता है, तो सिर्फ सिंपल एफिडेविट चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा ऐसा?
दिलीप साहब, आपका क्वेश्चन मतलब ये जो गिफ्ट डीड के बारे में नहीं है, आप रीडेवलपमेंट के बारे में बोल रहे हैं.
नहीं मतलब
जब
ये जो मतलब
गिफ्ट
देयर आर 2 सिस्टर्स एंड 2 ब्रदर्स, तो ये जो इनडायरेक्टली अभी बाय वे ऑफ लीगल है वो अपना हिस्सा दोनों भाई, मतलब इन दैट केस गिफ्ट डीड इज टू बी डॉक्यूमेंटेड और रिलीज डीड इज टू बी डॉक्यूमेंटेड.
अगर गिफ्ट डीड, नो द क्वेश्चन इज नॉट क्लियर. गिफ्ट डीड मतलब हुआ ही नहीं है, गिफ्ट डीड मतलब लिखा ही नहीं है. दैट्स गिफ्ट डीड हैज नॉट हैपेंड, राइट?
ओनर एक्सपायर हो गया, उसके बाद लीगल है 2 सन और 2 डॉटर है.
Okay.
तो देन इट्स नॉट अ पार्ट, ये इट्स नॉट अ केस ऑफ गिफ्ट डीड सर. जब वो जिंदा है, जो ओनर जिंदा है, वो उस टाइम ओके, वो तो एक्सपायर्ड होने के बाद गिफ्ट नहीं हो सकता सर.
एक्सपायर होने के बाद लीगल है ने गिफ्ट किया है, मतलब 2 बहनों ने 2 भाइयों को गिफ्ट करे अपना ये हिस्सा, अपना खुद का
अच्छा.
हिस्सा नहीं ले रहे.
अच्छा, आप बोल रहे हैं मतलब जिसका लीगल हेयर सर्टिफिकेट के जरिए, जो कोर्ट के जरिए मतलब वो जो ओनर बन गया है, वो गिफ्ट दे रहा है किसी और को, करेक्ट?
हाँ.
आपका क्वेश्चन अभी क्या है सर, अभी बताइए.
हाँ, तो ये डायरेक्टली गिफ्ट डीड होगा, रिलीज डीड होगा?
रिलीज डीड के गिफ्ट दे सकता है, गिफ्ट डीड भी कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि प्रॉपर सी अभी ये ट्रांसफर हो गया है, मतलब आपने हेयर सर्टिफिकेट लेने के बाद तो ट्रांसफर हो गया है, तो ओनर है, ओनर के नाते वो गिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. रिलीज डीड का कुछ जरूरत नहीं है, डायरेक्टली गिफ्ट डीड कर सकते हैं. या
अभी किसका नाम पे है सर? घर किसका नाम पे है?
बच्चों का नाम पे, मतलब इट्स बीन they are the legal heirs, they are, it is on the name.
डिसीज के नाम पे, डिसीज के नाम पे था और बाद में लीगल हेयर पिक्चर में आ गए, तो अभी उनको क्या करना चाहिए?
हाँ, सो ये डिसीज्ड का ये अभी सर एक्चुअली एज पर द प्रोसेस ये डिसीज्ड पर्सन का विथ नॉमिनेशन, विदाउट नॉमिनेशन और विल, इसका टॉपिक में आएगा सर. ये इसमें यू आर टेलिंग द फ्लैट इज इन द नेम ऑफ द ओनर एंड दैट पर्सन इज डिसीज्ड. Am I right?
Yes.
अच्छा, अभी ट्रांसफर हो गया क्या किसी का नाम पे?
लीगल हेयर्स है, बट दे हैव ऑलरेडी गिफ्ट. लीगली
Correct.
दे हैव गिफ्टेड टू ए सम अदर पर्सन, बट इट्स नॉट वैलिड बिकॉज उनका नाम पे अभी ट्रांसफर नहीं हुआ
हाँ,
है।
ट्रांसफर नहीं हुआ है।
मिस्टर दिलीप, और ये मैंने क्वेश्चन
ओके, मतलब रिलीज डीड चलेगा ना ये केस में? अगर गिफ्ट डीड नहीं तो रिलीज डीड इज द सॉल्यूशन फॉर दैट, रिलीज डीड।
Sir, actually, this particular thing, when the nominee nomination form और जो भी will है उसके मुताबिक होगा सर।
ओके ओके,
ये प्रोसेस अलग होता है। This
Next
process we
question,
will be covering in the next topic, upcoming topics.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मिस्टर दिल का है। उदय कुमार जी, आप ड्यूज का है, ड्यूज ऑफ सोसाइटी, इफ एनी ड्यूज ऑफ सोसाइटी। उदय कुमार जी।
Yes, sir.
यस सर,
Hello.
उदय कुमार जी,
Yeah,
प्लीज आस्क यू।
Madam, I am from Kopakharne. I have spoke with you many times. ये जो गिफ्ट है, इसके पहले ये जो सोसाइटी का ड्यूज होगा, तो ये आपके पूरे डिस्क्रिप्शन में वो पॉइंट कभी आया नहीं अभी। तो सोसाइटी का ड्यूज कभी क्लियर होगा? जब वो फॉर्म लेके आएंगे, फॉर्म फिलअप करेंगे, सोसाइटी को सबमिट करेंगे, वो टाइप उनको एनओसी या ड्यूज क्लियर का नोटिस दिया जाएगा। यार, एम आई राइट?
yeah, right. Yeah, there should be any transfer is getting processed by the society. It should
Yes.
be nil dues. Yeah, you are right.
नेक्स्ट सवाल,
Yeah.
सिडको का ट्रांसफर के लिए
Yeah.
पहला वो गिफ्ट जिसको डोनी जो है, वो पहला कैसा जाएगा सिडको के पास? ही विल कम टू द सोसाइटी, देन सोसाइटी विल ऑन हिज लेटर हेड राइट टू द सिडको दैट ही इज इंटेंडेड टू get did transfer gift transfer.
Oh,
So
they will give NOC. They will give NOC based on the documents. Even in the sale, Sitco will be asking one letter saying that the dues are clear.
yes,
So that letter, yeah, society will give. But they will not tell, they will only see the document. But only after Sitco is even only after Sitco का नेम चेंज होगा तभी इधर आके चेंज होगा। एनओसी देगा।
सिडको नेम चेंज के लिए सोसाइटी विल राइट टू द सिडको ना दिस।
एनओसी, there is a format which Sitco will ask.
Yes.
And that format should be given to the society and society,
given by the society.
by the society.
By the
In the
society,
same
yes.
format they will be signing
Right,
it.
that is the procedure. Yes, I clear.
उसमें main thing ये होगा कि taxes and the charges are nil, all are paid.
Nil.
वही होगा उसका
Yes.
format.
Yes.
Normally
Thank
यही
you.
होता है। Yeah.
Thank you.
राज शर्मा का बड़ा कॉम्प्लीमेंट है, वेरी गुड प्रेजेंटेशन। इसके बाद क्वेश्चन है एडवोकेट लक्ष्मी ठाकुर का सवाल, सबसे बड़ा सवाल सब लोगों का होता है, सरकार का होता है। बेनामी प्रॉपर्टी कैन बी गिफ्टेड?
I really don't know the answer for this. I
Yes.
need to check with sir, and you can send a mail to us. We will check the proper
यस यस,
clause and
ये
we will
जटिल सवाल है। बेनामी प्रॉपर्टी यदि स्टेट हो जाती है तो आप समझ सकती है, एडवोकेट हैं आप लक्ष्मी जी, तो आप आपकी जो भी जिज्ञासा है, सवाल है, आप मेल करें उमा जी को, प्रभु सर को। आपकी
Yes.
इस सवाल का
I'm
बिल्कुल
just putting in
जवाब
the
दिया
chat
जाएगा।
box my mail
Yes.
ID so
Yes,
that you
yes,
can
mail ID.
mail it to me.
Actually, there is a very general question. Generally, almost सभी लोग पूछते हैं कि मतलब स्टैम्प ड्यूटी के रिगार्डिंग कि अगर हमारे पास अभी पैसे नहीं है और हम स्टैम्प ड्यूटी बाद में पे करेंगे, गिफ्ट डीड हम बना लेते हैं एंड रजिस्ट्रेशन कर लेते हैं, फिर उसके बाद हम स्टैम्प ड्यूटी जब भी हमारे पास पैसे आएंगे तब पे करेंगे, तो ऐसा वर्केबल होता है क्या प्रैक्टिकली? बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आस्क द सेम क्वेश्चन।
ओके, एडवोकेट लक्ष्मी, जैसे कि मैम ने बताया है, इफ इट इज इन द ब्लड रिलेशनशिप, ओके, देयर इज नो स्टैम्प ड्यूटी नहीं है। ओके, खाली स्टैम्प 200 स्टैम्प पेपर में लिख सकते हैं। अदर देन द ब्लड रिलेशन जो है, देन द स्टैम्प ड्यूटी जो है वो लागू होता है। एंड योर क्वेश्चन इज, अगर अदर देन ब्लड रिलेशन है, अगर उनके पास स्टैम्प ड्यूटी भरने का पैसा नहीं है, खाली गिफ्ट डीड बनाएंगे, बाद में रजिस्ट्री करवाएंगे, जब रजिस्ट्री में जाएंगे तो आपको स्टैम्प ड्यूटी पे करने के बाद ही आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन होगा।
Correct.
फॉर्मल रजिस्ट्रेशन होता है,
Yes.
नॉर्मल रजिस्ट्रेशन, उसके बाद स्टैम्प ड्यूटी एंड ऑल। पे करना रहता है. So there
Yeah, the question, I mean, here in this case,
the
अगर
stamp duty, thereafter only he can register.
yes, blood relation तो जरूरत नहीं है, directly they can register. अगर other than blood relation है, तब आपको stamp duty लागू होता है. This I think, I mean, as I said, it is 3%. Ma'am was not clear. 3%
If
तक
it's ancestral property है, दादा का property, and now the father is no more, अब पोता लेना चाहता है, in that case it is मतलब they need to pay the stamp duty in that case.
No, पोता कैसे लेना जा सकता है? Who somebody has to gift it, right?
Only person मतलब उसके अंदर मतलब उसको ही आएगा property pick पे, तो उसको ही होगा.
No, that's he can do. He can do it only up through the court. It's like he should get the succession certificate, right? Then I mean heirship certificate,
There is
succession.
no will in that case actually.
Then he has to approach the court and then get the succession certificate. And
The proof
after
that he is the only legal heir.
Okay, fine. It is a part of the testamentary in short.
yes, yes, testamentary होगा. Then once he is the owner, then he can gift it. Then it becomes he's the owner. Then he can do to he can gift it to anybody.
One more question, because say opposite parties generally questions करते हैं मुझे कि can gift deed can be challenged, क्योंकि उनके father ने बिना किसी भी मतलब हमसे पूछे हुए गिफ्ट दे दिया है प्रॉपर्टी को, इवन हमारा भी हिस्सा होता था ऐसा. These are the very layman's question. So
No, it can't be challenged, ma'am, because this is voluntary है.
Actually,
Okay?
yeah.
It is a voluntary है. It is the will and wish of the owner. अगर मतलब वो किसी से पूछने का जरूरत नहीं है, it can't stand in the you know opposition. मतलब ये it cannot be challenged.
Correct.
As long as it is signed by the witnesses and it is registered, in the registrar office, sub-registrar office, it can't be challenged.
Sir, JGM, please question. JGM ऑन करें अपना ऑडियो. अपना नाम भी बताएं प्रॉपर, क्योंकि आपकी आईडी. यस सर, गो अहेड.
सो मेरा सवाल ये है कि मेरा नाम जय है, एंड सवाल ये है कि से देयर इज बेसिकली एक जॉइंटली ओन्ड प्रॉपर्टी है बाय टू ब्रदर्स, एंड दोनों लाइक दे हैव देयर सन्स एक्स. तो अभी जो दोनों में से एक ओनर को अपने सन को वो प्रॉपर्टी उसका शेयर, उनका खुद का शेयर सन को प्रॉपर्टी को सन को गिफ्ट करने की सोच रहे हैं. तो वो केस में एक तो प्रोसेस क्या होगा, एंड सेकंड थिंग जो दूसरे जॉइंट ओनर को उनको बताने की जरूरत होती है कि ऐसा कुछ कर रहे हैं कि कैसे होता है?
Obviously, see now, as a though it's not a part of this discussion, but yes, we can just throw some light on that. It's a joint property. It has to be decided by both the the joint holders. Okay, it can't be the will and wish of one of the joint holder. It can't be done. अगर release document अगर दिया है, दूसरा दिया है, मतलब उसका अनुमति के बगैर वो नहीं हो सकता है.
So अभी even if जो X है उसका फर्स्ट नेम है एंड Y का सेकंड नेम है, तो शेयर सर्टिफिकेट में तो X का ही नाम आ रहा है, बट बोथ ऑफ हैव देम गिवन इक्वली. लाइक जब भी परचेज किया था दोनों ने 50-50%, फंडिंग भी दोनों ने 50-50% की थी. तो इन दैट केस ऑल्सो, बिकॉज जस्ट अभी काफ़ी बार कैसे होता है फर्स्ट नेम को ही ओनर गिना जाता है, तो जब भी सोसाइटी के पास जाएगा तो सोसाइटी ऐसे चेंज कर देगी कि भाई हाँ चलो फर्स्ट नेम है उसको शेयर ट्रांसफ़र कर दिया. तो ऐसा कुछ करते हैं तो फिर यानी तो केस में कैसे होगा?
Now, are you talking about the share certificate first name or the sale deed में first name है?
नहीं, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द गिफ्ट डेट. सो शेयर सर्टिफिकेट में फर्स्ट नेम है, एंड जो फर्स्ट नेम है ना ही इज एक्चुअली अ 50% ओनर.
Okay.
And this 50 he wants to gift his share to his son. Now can he do it, or can he do it like entire 100%? भाई मेरी प्रॉपर्टी है, मेरा फर्स्ट नेम है, मैं पूरा का पूरा उसको मेरे सन को गिफ्ट कर देता हूँ.
No, as we said, like since it is in the joint name, okay, both the people have to sign the gift deed.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a joint property. It's very clear.
Okay, and so if the first owner को wants to gift only his share, तो उसके लिए भी दोनों को साइनिंग की रिक्वायरमेंट है कि फिर फर्स्ट ओनर ही साइन करके भी चल जाता है?
No, इसी एक ही चीज है, अगर वो प्रॉपर्टी कैन बी डिवाइडेबल देन वो वैलिड है. तो इट्स नॉट डिवाइडेबल. फॉर एग्जांपल फ्लैट है 2 BHK और 1 BHK, since it
Correct.
cannot be divisible, it cannot be
Mhm.
just gifted like that. My share of 100% can be gifted to A. So it
Mhm.
can't be just it. Then the only proposition is it should be sold, and 50% अगर share है 50%, entire 50% can be money can go to Mr. A's son. A and B है, right? So it
Yeah.
can't be. It can't actually. It's not a viable proposition.
See, when in case of a property, in case, let's say the owner, in case of a demise of the owner, and there are wife and siblings and children. Now, it's a gift is possible between mother to daughter or mother to son. So, can there be a gift between the siblings, even though they are independent taxpayers?
Your question is like, the property was owned by the father is died, and the property is transferred in the name of the mother. Can mother gift it to her children? Is that right?
No, not transferred. So in the event of the demise of the father, the property belongs to all the 3 or 4 or whatever it is. So can there be lateral transfer among the siblings?
Can there be lateral transfer? Okay, the question here is, they can give no objection. Agar, for example, if entire property need to be transferred in one person's name, either mother or one of the sibling, the other two, rest of the 2 people need to give no objection for transferring it in the name of one person, either one of the sibling or the mother. No objection certificate can be given, and the society will transfer it.
See, sir, in this case, it is very clear. In the slide also we have put the valid owner only can gift the property.
So is this a gift that you're talking about, or transfer of property?
No, gift. Actually, sir is asking about this gift. So, in your case, in the case example which you have taken, when the husband is died, wife is alive, is she a valid owner? As you say, it's a lateral, right? So only the valid owner can gift.
Now, in this case, these are the all the 3 people, that is the wife and 2 children, becomes the heirs, legal heirs.
Right.
So, can there be a legal? I mean, the lateral. For example, the A and B siblings are there. A will gift it to B, and then B will gift it to mother. Something like that. No, it can't be done.
Only valid owner can can be the donor of the gift. In your case, the valid owner is expired. So first the ownership they should take, then they should give. Regarding lateral transfer, actually I am not aware of it.
Okay, so in this case, there is no valid owner.
There is no donor because there is no owner here.
Yes, all of them are legal here. Maybe let's say 4 people, so 25, 25, 25, 25. And if they all decide that it goes to one party, so the remaining, the 3 have to give to one. So I just want to know whether is that because for the very same reason that, because you see, as you rightly said at the beginning, that only a valid owner can give. Now this valid owner does not, is no longer, is not alive. So in that case, yes. So can this be treated as a gift?
This cannot be treated as a gift. This is a processing different hoga. First they should go.
It has to go through the court. Through court they have to go through it. Now legal heirship certificate they have to get, succession certificate they have to get, and then get property transferred in their name. Then they can gift.
You see, the thing is, by default, since if there are 4 parties and all the 4 are equal shareholders, 25, 25, 25, 25, they can, if all of them agree, all of them can sell their ownership to the last party, remaining party. Sale is possible. But is gift possible? Because when you say gift, then all the stamp duty and other things are not applicable. So I just want clarity on that.
Sir, gift doesn't come here at all. The gift word is not at all applicable in the example you are giving.
Okay.
Okay.
They are not the valid owners.
They are not the valid owners.
Even sale, what you said, sir, sale also is not possible because it has to be transferred in their name. Then only they will have a title to the good. Okay, in their name, then they can sell it. They have to go through the court process, like succession certificate they have to get, and
legal hair certificate.
Then they'll become the legal owners. The one court issues it. then they can sell it.
Okay.
They can, gift it, whatever they want to do. Then they'll become the legal, owners of the property.
There is one
Okay,
more
thank you.
process where, for example, A and B are there with consideration. A says, I will take the full property, give you 50 lakhs, a 1 crore property. Then it comes under a different purview. Like he should submit an affidavit that I have taken 50 lakhs from the person and this is the consideration I have taken, kindly transfer. So the legal process entirely takes a different turn here.
मैम वो तो सेल हो गया है, दैट्स अ कंसिडरेशन है, ये गिफ्ट में नहीं आएगा.
ये गिफ्ट में नहीं आएगा, that's what I told you.
यस थॉमस सर, मैं आपको इनवाइट कर रहा हूँ. इनवाइट
Yeah, thanks.
कोरे ने कहा नाइस प्रेजेंटेशन. रागा, थैंक यू रागास फॉर वैल्यूएबल इंफॉर्मेशन. काफी अच्छे कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं. मणि जी बताइए आप अपना नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Yeah, is a society NOC required before making a gift deed?
Ma'am, is society NOC is
required before making the gift deed?
Gift deed.
No, I don't think so. No, it is not required. Why?
Then
Why society should give an NOC for making a gift deed? It is individual's choice.
so they can make the gift deed and then come to the society for transfer.
Yeah, that time society will give only NOC for that all the payment has been cleared.
Cleared.
Society doesn't have any objection, no. If
Okay.
the valid
Okay, in any
owner is
case,
valid.
even if it is sale also, sir, there is no NOC required. So जैसे कि even for the gift deed also there is no NOC required before gift deed is executed. That's what ma'am is clarifying. वो होने के बाद जब डोनी क्लेम करने के लिए आता है तब for the सिडको ट्रांसफर के लिए एक नो ड्यू सर्टिफिकेट का जरूरत होता है, दैट इज एनओसी फॉर्मेट, जैसे कि मैम ने बताया. नॉट बिफोर द गिफ्ट डीड इज मेड, नो एनओसी इज रिक्वायर्ड फ्रॉम द सोसाइटी. यस सर.
What is the difference between gift and releasing the rights?
See, the main difference of this thing is gift is something without consideration, whereas release may the house might be mortgaged. So in that case, the person must, there will be a condition in that. The condition is they might be, for example, they might be having the mortgage loan. In that case, the consideration comes into the account. So release is different, gift is different. Gift is something without consideration.
Madam, one minute. No. So see, it is a property in joint name. Can one person release his share in the name of the second party?
Release the share to the co-owner.
Right.
Sir, you give with example, send it to my mail ID. I don't have an answer for this.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Your question is, there is a joint owner. The person
right.
A is releasing the full rights to B.
Right.
Correct? And B will give it to somebody.
Okay, Ms. Whether he should go release of the right or give his share. As in earlier question, it was said that A, being part owner of the property, cannot gift it to even his 10% share to any third person, right? But then in that case, if he wants to transfer his share to B, whole share, then whether it will be by gift deed or by release deed.
Release deed is correct answer, sir. Release deed करने के बाद then the A becomes the full right owner, then he can give
full right owner.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Sir, A pin.
Good evening, everybody.
Ask your question.
Yeah, good evening, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir.
My question is that the donor made a gift deed, okay? Now, before the donee could actually start the process of the transfer with the cooperative society, the donor passed away.
Okay.
Okay. Does this gift deed still is it still valid?
The question here is, sir, जैसे कि मैम ने बताया है, so the gift deed, if it is executed already, yeah, it is registered already. That means it is the acceptance by the donee is already done in the books of the government, right? Because resistance, yeah, then it's a valid.
Okay.
And the transfer is not happened in the the society you are talking about.
Yes.
But the gift deed is valid.
Now there's a related question. I had put it a little later on, realized that it should have been read together. The person is an NRI, okay? Now this deed was registered outside the country. Okay, now he has passed away. The process of the registration has been done in the country outside India. Now, how do you go about this with the, what you call it, cooperative society here? What are the formalities that need to be done?
The property is here in India or outside?
Yes.
The property
Yes.
is here in India.
Yes. Yes.
How can that be registered outside India?
Not registered. He has transferred it to his sons as a gift deed. He's given it and he's put it in the, he's gone and registered it with the embassy that is there, Indian embassy in the foreign country. So how does he go about it now?
Is it a will you're talking about, or it's a gift deed that
The gift deed. It's a gift deed.
Your name,
Registered?
please?
My name is Austin Pinto.
Pinto, can you send a mail to me regarding this? Because I need to refer certain clauses in that before answering you.
Okay, fine.
Okay,
I'll
let
get it.
me go through the clause and then come back to you. Because even we have not come across a foreign will.
Surely.
No, it's not a will, ma'am. It is a gift.
Foreign gift deed.
Sorry, foreign gift. Yeah, foreign gift.
Okay, so I'll get it done. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll upload that for you.
Yeah,
Okay.
send me all the details, which country and who, like when it was done and when did the person expire. Everything you give the details. We will check the clause and we will come back to you.
Surely.
You have
Now,
my email ID in the chat box.
I'll pick it up from the chat box. Okay.
Yeah, please.
Now, my next question is unrelated to what it is. Okay, to the topic earlier. Can an immovable property and movable property be put in a gift deed?
Can I give? Yeah, it can be done.
It can be.
It can be done.
Yes, thank you so much. Appreciate all the answers that you have given. I will post my queries to you on your email ID. Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome, Mr.
Welcome, Mr.
I'm
Yes,
Ken
sir.
Fernandez, and
Yes,
the
yes.
question that I need to ask you is: an Indian donor, can he gift his to his blood relative who is now a foreign citizen? And in that case, if the answer is yes, then what other documents would we require from the Cooperative Housing Society to legalize all this?
I'm just repeating your question. Donor is in India and he is wanting to gift to the donee. He is residing out of India and non-resident Indian. And
Not
in that
non-resident, but a citizen of a foreign country.
citizen of foreign country, what are the documents a cooperative housing society need in processing the gift deed?
Yes,
Right? Okay.
that is correct.
Okay, this also I need to refer. You can send a mail to me. We have not come across the case. So please send a mail to me. We will definitely reply to you.
Yes, I think you have not come across this because most of the people mask themselves as Indians when
Right.
giving the gift, you see. But later on, there could be problems of somebody coming up and then saying something. So that's why we need to know the legal implications of putting a foreign citizen who says that he's legally he's allowed to. We understand.
Right.
But,
he is allowed. But regarding the documents, I need to
Yes.
refer and then come back to you.
Thank you, ma'am. I'll get
Can you
your
put the,
email.
I will appreciate if you can send a mail to us, because
Sure.
through this even we will be learning the extra process what we know a little today.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much
ma'am.
for your question.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Advocate Lakshmi Thakur, शायद ये हो गया है. Is it necessary to pay stamp duty if gift deed is made in blood relationship?
No,
not required.
we
We
have
clarified.
replied. We have replied, Sunil sir.
Okay. Sanju Naidu, is it necessary to pay stamp duty for gift deed?
No, we
Replied,
clarified
sir.
that.
Also clarified.
Yeah, if it is in the blood relationship, like father, mother, brother, sister, brother-in-law, not required. Other than blood relation, yes, there is a stamp duty. Okay, to be paid.
वो तो एक कंडीशनल ट्रांसफर के लिए फॉलोअप क्वेश्चन था कि कंडीशनल गिफ्ट के लिए, तो तभी जो कहा था कि कंडीशनल गिफ्ट कैन नॉट बी पॉसिबल, बट ऐसा कोई गिफ्ट कर सकते हैं कि टिल द टाइम आई एम अलाइव आई कैन स्टे आफ्टर माय डेथ, सो आई गिफ्टेड राइट अवे but I continue to reside in that place. वैसा conditional उसको valid होता है कि it's invalid such kind of a conditional gift?
Yeah, it can be done. I mean, if it is the donor है, donor का अगर till death तक है, तो valid है sir.
Hello, this is Deepak here.
Yeah, Mr. Deepak Mane. Go ahead sir.
सर एक्चुअली अभी मैंने रिसेंटली गिफ्ट डेड किया है जिसमें सीटीएस नंबर जो होते हैं नंबर लाइक सपोज सीटीएस नंबर आपका 556 to लेके इतने सारे लाइक 584 है लाइक 28 मालमत्ता उतारा जिसको हम मराठी में कहते हैं. तो लॉयर ने कहा कि पूरे डॉक्यूमेंट स्कैन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. दैट इज द फर्स्ट पेज ऑफ द सीटीएस नंबर, द स्टार्ट पेज एंड द लास्ट पेज इज इनफ. इज दैट ट्रू? वो बोला कि जो मालमत्ता उतारा होता है वो मालमत्ता उतारा जब हम बिल्डर जब ओरिजिनल जब लैंड किसी ओरिजिनल ओनर को दे दे तभी जरूरत है. और बाकी जब अगर सपोज आपके मॉम के नाम पे अभी है और मॉम होकर आपको गिफ्ट कर रही है तो सिर्फ फर्स्ट पेज ऑफ दैट सीटीएस नंबर जो स्टार्ट होता है लाइक सपोज मान लो 556 है और एंड होता है 584, तो फर्स्ट और लास्ट का ही स्कैन कॉपी करना जरूरी है रजिस्ट्रार के पास. इज दैट राइट? और दूसरा
regarding the registration you are asking, right?
yes ma'am.
And it is already registered?
Yes ma'am, it is registered, but I am just asking a question that what lawyer said कि we don't have to scan all the documents, all the malmatta utara numbers.
See, if the lawyer has told and it is registered, I think that should be correct, right?
Okay.
This is as per the procedure and the procedure, which is there in the registration department, which has been accepted. Because the number, the CT number is very important because that is the link document that what the registration department will have, registrar, sub-registrar will have, basis which they'll authenticate whether the property is proper or not. That is enough because all entire documents are not required. That is a valid suggestion given by your advocate, sir.
Okay, and the secondly, the share certificate which you are saying.
Yeah.
अभी मेरा गिफ्ट डेड हुआ है, मैंने फॉर्म भी भरा है, मैंने एक लेटर भी दिया है सोसाइटी को कि भाई मैंने ऐसे ऐसे किया, ऐसे ऐसे एंट्रेंस पे और अलग अलग चेक नंबर भी दिया है. सो मुझे ये पूछना है कि हम शेयर सर्टिफिकेट जब भी ये डॉक्यूमेंट्स मैंने गिफ्ट डेड का कॉपी भेजा और प्लस ये फॉर्म दिया तभी ही मुझे ओरिजिनल सर्टिफिकेट देना है?
Yes, because the transfer will happen immediately because it has to be endorsed in the committee meeting, management committee meeting. The scrutinous karte samay they can as well endorse in your name and then give it. Yeah, all other documents you have given, gift deed, notarized copy, copy आपने दिया है, then nomination form दिया है, then आपका membership, associate membership दिया है.
Yes.
Then अगर original है आपके पास वो भी आप दे दीजिए, वो they will just transfer it in your name straight away and then give it to you.
The problem is that 2 days ago I given this thing, but the thing is that society is not giving me any acknowledgement of the same, even though they said give your this thing copy और जो वो दूसरा भी है वो आप दोनों सेट हमारे पास रख दो, हम आपको we will get back to you. Now they are saying कि हम लोग टाइम लेंगे. So I'm just wondering अगर उन लोग नहीं भी करते हैं तो एज अ डीम मेंबर का जो ये है 3 महीने के बाद तो वो कैसा बनना प्रोसीजर है, क्या करना होगा उसके लिए हमें?
Sir, actually they have got 15 days time. 15 days हो गया क्या आप सबमिट कर?
नहीं, अभी 2 दिन हो गया है सबमिट करके और उन्होंने मुझे एक्नॉलेजमेंट भी नहीं दिया है.
देगा ना, 15 दिन है. एक्नॉलेजमेंट क्यों नहीं दिया उन लोगों ने? You can ask.
वो पता नहीं, वो बोल रहे हैं कि हमारे पास अभी इतना टाइम नहीं है, अभी आज संडे है, कल दशहरा था, ये था वो था, एंड दैट इज व्हाट दे आर सेइंग.
Okay, just wait and watch, no? So
okay,
in fact they have to give you acknowledgement.
And actually you know what, there are 2 flats are there, my mom's. And in one of the this thing society secretary is saying कि नहीं सर आपको तो 25,000 देने पड़ेंगे. तो what I suggested, there is no profit earned either by donor or a donee. Then why is that this thing? तो बोलता नहीं सर आप एक काम करो, कॉपी ऑफ मीटिंग बायलॉज की ले लो, पढ़ो और आपको देना पड़ेगा सर. So I did not have this thing arguments with him. So I just wanted to ask you the section number so that I can tell that okay, give as per section number so and so. This is not allowed, sir. Kindly requesting you to please. So I just need that section number.
Okay, yeah, bylaw number, ma'am, will give.
I will give you.
Bylaw book is there.
What is your mobile number? I'll send you the pic.
Okay, I will get in touch with you.
In my WhatsApp, na, you just send a hi and you put your name. I'll send you the relevant picture.
Thank you.
Okay.
Most welcome.
Sir, last question. Sir, only last question, sir. Sir, actually just now ma'am said that we can combine two gift deeds in a this thing, do property in a single gift deed. Okay, I'm just wondering, अगर हमें वापस वो प्रॉपर्टी सेल करना हो तो जो गिफ्ट डीड बनती है वो तो दोनों प्रॉपर्टी की बनती है, तो हाउ इज दैट लॉजिकल टू प्रिपेयर टू प्रॉपर्टी का गिफ्ट डीड इन अ वन सिंगल गिफ्ट डीड, टू प्रॉपर्टी इन अ वन सिंगल गिफ्ट डीड?
See, that is
No,
why
no,
I
what is your
told you.
question? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गिफ्ट करने के बाद सेल कहाँ से आता है?
नहीं, अगर सपोज मान लो मुझे गिफ्ट दिया है और मैंने सेल करने की बाद में सोचा है ठीक है अभी मुझे नहीं करना है और अनफॉर्चुनेटली कुछ हो भी जाता है मॉम को और मुझे सेल करना है बाद में.
Okay, see, you are a donor, right?
Right.
Gift has been given to you. One is what you call, दोनों assets है, right? You are saying movable and immovable दोनों है एक ही गिफ्ट.
दो इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी, दो अलग अलग फ्लैट ले और दो अलग अलग फ्लैट का एक सिंगल गिफ्ट डीड में बन सकता है क्या?
हाँ, बन सकता है, इसमें क्या है?
लेकिन अगर हम लोग बेचने जाएंगे तो हमारे पास जो गिफ्ट डीड दोनों प्रॉपर्टी का एक ही इसमें होगा ना गिफ्ट डीड, तो हम जिसको भी बेच रहे हैं वो तो दोनों प्रॉपर्टी का गिफ्ट डीड लेके बैठेगा ना उसका कॉपी.
नो दीपक, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, अगर दो फ्लैट है, गिफ्ट डीड आपके पास है, तो दो सोसाइटी का आप अप्रोच करेंगे. अप्रोच करने के बाद आपका नाम पे मतलब वो शेयर सर्टिफिकेट आपका नाम पे ट्रांसफर हो गया है, तो एक प्रॉपर्टी को आप बेच सकते हैं अलग से.
अच्छा, मतलब
सोसाइटीज है, टू डिफरेंट सोसाइटी में जाके आप एंडोर्स करेंगे आपका नाम, तो यू आर द ओनर फॉर बोथ द फ्लैट्स. बोथ द प्रॉपर्टीज आर अवेलेबल इन योर हैंड टू डिस्पोज इट ऑफ, सर.
ओके, तो मतलब दोनों प्रॉपर्टी का एक सिंगल गिफ्ट डीड में हो सकता है.
यस, दैट्स पॉसिबल. दैट्स ओके. यस,
ओके सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच सर.
जहाँ तक कि दोनों है, दोनों सोसाइटी में एक ही गिफ्ट डीड का कॉपी आप देंगे, बोलेंगे ये पार्ट ए का है, ये पार्ट बी का ये है करके आप बताएंगे अलग अलग. Then you can just get it transferred in your name. Once it is transferred in your name, you can sell it off. You can do anything. You can gift it also. You can do anything.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Sunil ji, we can have the last question.
थोड़ा मैं लेट हो गया था. जो अपना आपने बताया है गिफ्ट बिटवीन डोनर एंड डोनी, they need not also be in relation. We can give a gift to anyone. क्या यहाँ पे क्लास 1, क्लास 2 हैज में भी कोई स्टैम्प ड्यूटी में फर्क होता है, या वो फर्स्ट रिलेशन को स्टैम्प ड्यूटी सिर्फ 200 रुपए है और बाकी लोग को स्टैम्प ड्यूटी लगती है?
सर, मिस्टर विक्रांत जैसे कि बताया है, इफ इट इज इन द ब्लड रिलेशनशिप स्टैम्प ड्यूटी नहीं है. अगर ब्लड रिलेशन का अलावा है देन स्टैम्प ड्यूटी लागू है.
नहीं, मेरा कहने का मतलब है जैसे किसी ने फादर इन लॉ को गिफ्ट किया या अपने मामा को गिफ्ट किया, दैट इज नॉट ब्लड रिलेशन. वो क्लास 3 में आ जाता है एज पर द विल. क्लास 1 हेयर में नहीं आता है, तो उसमें स्टैम्प ड्यूटी लगेगी या उसमें नहीं लग सकती?
So see, that's why we told regarding this, regarding the class of people, that you need to please contact the advocate for the recent whatever the law is telling. I told at the beginning only, regarding the gift making, you need to approach your advocate.
Okay. Secondly, मैंने जिसको क्वेश्चन था कि एक आदमी को गिफ्ट मिला डोनी. Now, is there any limit that he can further gift it to someone? Mr. A ने B को गिफ्ट किया, and B is not a relative, तो गिफ्ट तो इमीडिएटली ट्रांसफर हो जाता है एज पर द प्रोसीजर. तो अभी डोनी मालिक बन गया B, तो B C को डोनेट कर गिफ्ट कर सकता है या कुछ लिमिटेशन है इसमें कि आफ्टर सर्टेन ईयर वाले लिमिट करेगा? मेरा प्रश्न. हाँ जी, बोलिए सर.
ऐसा नहीं है, देयर इज नो कूलिंग पीरियड, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है सर. B can, again if he wants to gift it to C, he can do that.
नहीं, मेरा प्रश्न इसके अलावा अभी ये कैट का नाम भूल गया है. इट इज लाइक अगर ये पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चे को गिफ्ट करते थे और बाद में बच्चे अपने पेरेंट्स का ख्याल नहीं करते, तो देयर इज जजमेंट कि गिफ्ट रिवोक हो सकती है और पेरेंट्स अपना घर वापस ले सकते हैं. वो पता नहीं एज ओल्ड पेरेंट्स एक्ट के अंदर कुछ, आई जस्ट फॉरगॉट द नेम ऑफ दैट एक्ट. तो उसके लिए मुझे लगा कि कल ऐसा ना हो ना कि बेटा को एक बार गिफ्ट मिल गया या किसी फ्रेंड को गिफ्ट मिल गया और बाद में जल्दी दूसरे को गिफ्ट दे रहे, तो ही कैन एस्केप फ्रॉम दिस सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट.
सर, इसलिए हमने बताया कि मतलब कंडीशनल गिफ्ट डीड भी हो सकता है. जब तक मैं जिंदा हूं तब तक के लिए ये ट्रांसफर नहीं होता है, उसके बाद होता है, दैट्स पॉसिबल. सो जस्ट टू टेक केयर ऑफ इट. अगर गिफ्ट डीड मतलब ऐसा कंडीशन नहीं है, गिफ्ट एक्सेप्ट किया गया है, देन इट्स द ओनर विल बी द सन, so which has been already transferred, then he can sell it off. And your question is like, वो बुढ़ापे में अगर उसको देखभाल नहीं कर रहा है, then he can take it back, that is not valid.
Again, if there is a law and section, we need to go through it and then come back to you, sir.
You're saying there is a judgment, or you're saying we need to really refer to that. What
We
is
need
the
to
judgment?
see what,
Type of
see,
cash?
we need to see under what condition it has been revoked. We need to see the full case history, what this case is all about.
Yeah, there is a Senior Citizen Act which you have to go through it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm telling. We need to go through
Yeah,
several acts.
exactly. Yeah, there is a in BKC nearby Avenue Tower, there is a senior citizen cell at 9th floor. You can go and visit and ask them. This is Kiran. I'm CA. I just have this information, so I just sharing this. Sorry to interrupt, but I just recently got this information that in senior citizen there is a BKC. I mean nearby this Chetna College. One can visit that, and there is a Senior Citizen Act which you can go through. There is around 20 or 50 pages act. So in case the children is not taking care of parents, parents can approach them and they can get back that property.
Okay.
Yeah, Mr. Kiran, the question here is like it is already gifted by father to son. Now,
Yeah,
Oh,
father
right.
is not
No,
being
no.
taken care.
Sudhir, he is giving the general information to the senior citizens. Yeah,
Right.
it's a very valuable information. People who are on the seminar can note it down. What he is telling.
Yeah, sometimes son and daughter are not taking care or something. Parents
Exactly.
can approach them and they can get back the
Right.
property.
Okay. Thank you very much.